Hello, I'm Lee.
And I'm Wally.
And this is Summer. And we are Three for the Road RV. Hi, I'm Lee.
I'm Summer.
And I'm Wally.
And this is a Thankful Thursday.
Okay.
And we are talking about a special subject today.
Something.
What are we talking about?
My-
Fishing.
I like fishing
Fishing.
pole.
Yep.
We'll
Yeah.
pop a foot out fishing. And I'll hold it and pull it back up.
Yeah.
See another fish because hold it right there on my fishing pole.
Right.
I
That's
drop it and
Uh-huh.
Yes.
roll it
Was
up.
it fun?
Yeah,
Was it fun
and then
fishing?
roll it up
Do you want to go
because
fishing again?
another fishing.
Do you want to go fishing again?
Yes.
It was fun,
Another
wasn't it?
fish.
It was her first fishing day yesterday.
First fishing.
Another
Yes, thank you. Put
fish
your hands
on
down.
my
They can't
fishing.
see you if your hands are in front of your face.
No, I have
She
fish.
got her first own fishing pole.
Yeah, I
And
know.
it was what color? Do you remember what color?
Anna.
Pink.
Pink.
It was pink.
I know pool. I know the pool fishing pole.
No, you got pink, huh?
I'm,
Papa.
I'm thankful for fishing because it was my first time sharing it with Summer.
No, Papa
It actually was pretty fun.
I know.
She
Papa
did really
tried.
good.
Try and
Mm-hmm. And guess
stop.
what? I am thankful for fishing because it meant that you guys got to leave at the crack of dawn and I got to sleep in. Yeah. So that was great. And so I got to putter around the trailer and do things I wanted to and not have to worry about you guys, at least for a few hours anyway.
thumbs up,
Thumbs up.
comments,
Comments.
ring that bell.
Ring that bell. And subscribe as well. Huh?
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.